Want to make your photos look stunning without using complicated editing apps? In this guide, I'll show you how to edit photos on your Samsung Galaxy phone like a professional using the built-in editing tools available in 2026. Whether you want better Instagram pictures, cleaner selfies, or eye-catching social media posts, Samsung Gallery has everything you need. Opening the Samsung Gallery application, inside the gallery, you'll find all your saved photos and videos organized in albums. Scroll through your images and select the photo you want to enhance. Tap the image once to open it in full screen. Next, look at the bottom menu bar and tap the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil symbol. This will open Samsung's advanced editing workspace where you can professionally customize your photo. You'll now see several editing tools. Start with the crop option to straighten your image, improve framing, or resize it for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube thumbnails. You can also rotate or flip the image if needed. After cropping, explore the filters section. Samsung Galaxy phones include modern AI-powered filters that can instantly improve colors, brightness, and overall mood. Choose a filter that matches the style you want while keeping the photo natural and clean. For more professional editing, tap the Adjust tools. Here you can manually control brightness, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows, sharpness, and temperature. Increasing sharpness slightly and balancing shadows can make portraits and landscape photos look much more premium. You can also use Samsung's Object Eraser and Remaster picture features on supported Galaxy devices. These tools help remove unwanted background objects and automatically improve image quality using AI technology. Once your editing is complete, tap the Save button at the top of the screen. Your professionally edited photo will be saved instantly in the gallery without losing the original quality. That's it. With these simple Samsung Galaxy editing tips, you can create professional quality photos directly from your phone without needing any extra apps.